So I've been machining for 16 years, and now I've actually went from machining to a management position. In one word, I would describe Arch as, I would say, organized. I'm Jamey Jones. I'm our operations manager at Arch. Throughout the day, I walk around, I get with all the employees in the shop. If they have any questions, I try and help them resolve those questions. I also make sure that workflow throughout the shop is moving in the right direction, making sure no job gets left behind. I can tell Arch has more structure. They have brought more to the table. It's enabling the employees to have a little more hands-on opportunities. I feel like my team is more solid. Being a management position, it's made me feel better that the employees here that work for Arch and myself feel better as a whole. It's very important for people to grow and move forward here at this company. I would say the sky's the limit. Everyone here works well together, but I enjoy getting up and coming here every day, and I couldn't ask to come to work every day with a better group of